I'm going to talk about, not this one, swearing questions at Stack Overflow. Well, I like answering questions at Stack Overflow, and the reasons are that it sharpens my knowledge and a way to document my thoughts on a subject that I think that I know, and to learn new stuff, because when you start answering something, you realize that you actually don't know all that you should know about what was asked. And it is also nice to help others occasionally. I don't know if you're aware, but at Stack Overflow, when a question is being posted, you have limited time to answer and to be first. Otherwise, you might invest time, and then you will see that someone else already posted something, and maybe even worse, a better answer than you would post, which is very irritating. So when I see a question that I want to answer, like this one on timer in C++, there is a chrono word just before. And I see the question and I say, yeah, I want to answer something about chrono. And the question was just posted. I still have time, but I have to be quick because I'm in a competition with someone. And I really know the someone who usually answers quite quickly questions on chrono and R value and move semantics is Howard Enand. And he's going to be there in a minute. He's quite quick. He's triggered on that. So I want to answer that. So yeah, I go with something, but I go quite quickly. I mean, I don't put the full thing. I just, put something which is valuable. But, you can start with that. I will add something in a moment, but I just want it to be out. Otherwise, Howard will be first. So yeah, this is what I posted, which is in a way the answer to this is what you want to achieve, I think. And then I got a comment from someone saying this answer would be better if you explained why. Sure. I just wanted to be first. I'm going to explain. Wait, it was, I think, a few seconds after I posted. I mean, and this is not the original poster. This is another dude. Wait. So yeah, I'm going to add some explanation. Yeah, I know, I need to. But then Howard Enand came to the page with a question on the original question, and I feel a bit cold feet. So I answer, yeah, I will try to explain, but having now Howard Enand on the page makes me a bit cold feet. At least if I'm wrong, I'll have someone to watch over, and I add my explanation. With some music, even. And then I got a comment, you're doing fine, but can you write it without using count? Now, this is important because when you use chrono, you want to stay using measurement units. And there was some comparison there, and the comparison was with 0. And in order to compare with 0, I called count to compare with 0. But there is a better way. You can just compare it with 0 with measurement units. And then you don't have to call count. And calling count is a bad habit because when you call count, you go away from the measurement units to the raw number, which you should not. Thank you, Howard. I knew that maybe, or maybe I learned a new thing, or maybe, yeah, this is a best practice that I need to take into account. So now I call that without count. And I get another comment from Howard Enand, much better. That's what I brought, by the way. Now you just need to clean up your explanation a little, which I did. And he had some more comments. I will not give you the entire story. So that was my private Connect tutorial with Howard Enand. And if you want to get the full thing, this is the QR code for the question. You can vote it up if you want. And try it yourself. I mean, answer questions in Stack Overflow. It's fun. And you can even get private tutorial